Alrighty, folks, some brutal heat on the way over the next couple of days. Definitely nothing to get excited about. Let's take a look at our temperatures for today, Wednesday. They're going to be mostly in the mid to upper 90s across the big cities of the East Coast, 80s and upper 80s in southern New England. And as we make our way out to Thursday, the heat is just going to continue to crank out of the southwest. Temperatures are going to be even 5 to 10 degrees warmer in some spots compared to today. 99 in DC, many spots tapping on the door of 100. Should be about 90 near Virginia Beach. Upper 90s for New York and Philly, and upper 90s for Boston and Albany. Connecticut's going to be kind of a cooler spot with highs in the mid upper 80s and some low 90s. Now Friday's the big day. It's definitely going to be the hottest day. We're going to see the heat likely temperatures going to be reaching into the 95 to 100 degree range for many spots across southern New England, and the mid-Atlantic is likely going to be in the 100 to 105 degree range, and heat indexes are likely to be about 10 to 15 degrees higher than the actual temperatures in some spots. So that is definitely something that we have to worry about on Friday and on Thursday, but especially on Friday when the heat really cranks for these areas in the mid-Atlantic. Albany is going to be a bit cool, about 10 to 12 degrees cooler on Fridays compared to Thursday, but Friday we're going to be dealing with the potential for some thunderstorms. Again, what I really want to do in this video is cover the potential, and in the yellow outlined areas, I'd say is the main threat. Basically, we're seeing a cap, and what a cap is, it's warm air in the mid-levels that does not allow evaporation from the low levels to travel into the high levels to create thunderstorms. So if the air can't evaporate to create the clouds, then we can't see the storms. And because it evaporates in the mid-levels, and that's what the cap is, warm air in the mid-levels. So there's a cap in place, and the only way we can break the cap is with decent lapse rates, which would bring the air up a little bit better, okay, and daytime heating and convective ability and convective energy, okay. Instability is what I mean. So I mean, with all those combined, it's strong. It's a strong cap, so it's going to need a lot to break it. But we do have a lot going for it. It's definitely possible that we could see up to 3,000 joules per kilogram of CAPE in some areas. Although 1,500 to 2,500 is definitely going to be widespread, and we're going to have highs reaching up into the upper 90s or 100s, and it's going to be very humid. So we shall see. Although our lapse rates are poor, that's one thing to consider going into this event. I'd say right now, based on what are the chances of breaking the cap, I'd say 70-30 that we don't break the cap because the lapse rates are so bad and the cap is looking so strong, but it's definitely not impossible. We still have that 30% chance 2 days out. And if the cap does break, all hell will break loose and we're likely going to see a major severe weather event. But again, likelihood is that the cap will not break. So we shall see, guys. I hope you stay tuned to Stormtopia.com and the Stormtopia.com Facebook page. Stay safe out there, and of course, enjoy your day.